One chart beat the entire market scan today. BlackRock, Inc. The read is long, and by the end, you'll have the exact entry, target, and stop. Do me one favor first: like, subscribe, and share. That's the whole sponsorship. Now, the chart. Here's the route. Patterns and indicators first, then where the institutions are positioned, then the exact trade plan. 3 layers, 1 verdict. Let's move. Let's read the tape. Daily time frame, 60 bars on screen. Price action is in an uptrend of moderate strength. That's our primary directional bias right out of the gate. You can see the dotted lines on the chart. Green is our TP at $12.54. Red is our SL at $10.36. Those are the 2 numbers that matter most in this whole video. Now this is the fun part. The pattern detector picked up 3 chart patterns on the daily: double top, double bottom, in V head and shoulders. I'm going to walk you through each one in the next slides and show you exactly where they formed on the price action. Pay attention to the labeled points. Those are the swings that confirm the pattern is real. Before we zoom in, this scan runs daily. Join the traders who get it every morning. It's free. Pattern number 1. This is the double top. It's a bearish formation with 2 out of 3 strength. 2 peaks. 182. 19 hours. Measured move target 1043 18.6. You can see on the chart exactly where the key swings line up. That's what confirms the structure, not just my word for it. The textbook measured move projection is 8.1%. That's the typical decline once the pattern fully completes. It's a guide, not a guarantee, so we still need our SL in place. Pattern number 2, this is the double bottom. It's a bullish formation with 2 out of 3 strength. 2 troughs and 224.98. Measured move target, $1,184.75. You can see on the chart exactly where the key swings line up. That's what confirms the structure, not just my word for it. The textbook measured move projection is Mulberry 4.3%. That's the typical rally once the pattern fully completes. It's a guide, not a guarantee, so we still need our SL in place. Pattern number 3. This is the in V head and shoulders. It's a bullish formation with 3 out of 3 strength. Head 947.21, shoulders $1,004.58, neckline 1,176. You can see on the chart exactly where the key swings line up. That's what confirms the structure, not just my word for it. The textbook measured move projection is plus 10.4%. That's the typical rally once the pattern fully completes. It's a guide, not a guarantee, so we still need our SL in place. Candle signal number 1. A spinning top just formed on the very last candle. See the dashed box on the chart? That's where it printed. It's a neutral read with 1 out of 3 strength. Small body with balanced wicks, bulls and bears in equilibrium. What you want to see next is follow through on the very next bar. That's the confirmation that turns a signal into a trade. Key levels next. These are the prices where the market has actually made decisions before. On this slide, you've got 2 resistance levels above price, 2 support levels below, plus our TP and SL inside that range. If price breaks above R1 cleanly and holds it, that's the green light for the upside scenario. If it cracks below S1 instead, the long thesis is broken and you stand aside. The TP and SL aren't arbitrary numbers. They sit at logical inflection points, which is why this map matters more than any single indicator. On to the indicators. We've got composite score of plus 0.30, technical 0.09. Positive numbers lean bullish, negative numbers lean bearish. And what you're really looking for is agreement across multiple boxes, not just one indicator screaming. ADX is at 26, and that tells us we're in a moderate trend regime. Important because some strategies only work when ADX is above 25. On-balance volume is bullish. That's a sneaky good way to spot whether the smart money is buying or selling underneath the price action. Quick gear change. The chart told us what retail sees. Now let's find out what smart money is actually doing. Order blocks, fair value gaps, the institutional read. On the daily chart, the SMC bias is bearish, with a ranging market structure. The most recent order block is a bullish zone between $1078 and $1109.99. That's where institutional orders are likely parked. We've also got an unfilled bullish fair value gap between 10.46 and 10.62.51. Price tends to revisit these imbalances. Most importantly, we just had a BOS bullish move at 10.76.51, a key structural signal that smart money traders watch closely. Volume profile now, the map of where the real volume sits and where price tends to gravitate. The point of control, the most traded price, is at $1054.59. The value area runs from $216.76 on the low side to $1,150 zone on the high side, meaning 70% of all volume traded inside that zone. The signal here is bullish. Price 1136.39 is above POC 1054.59. And inside the value area, 10,016.76, 1150.09. Bullish lean. Order flow next. No level 2 here, so we read pressure from closes and volume, a solid proxy. Over the recent window, buying pressure accounts for 37% of volume versus 63% selling. The overall flow signal is bearish. There's a bearish divergence. Price hit a new high, but cumulative delta didn't follow, which often means smart money is distributing. And to round out the indicator suite, 3 more advanced reads. Money Flow Index, the volume-weighted RSI, reads subvamid, signal neutral. Williams %R is at 12, bearish. Chaikin Money Flow reads $0.19, bearish. Together, these 3 confirm whether the volume's actually backing the price move or whether it's just speculative noise. Now, even though this is a technical analysis channel, we always sanity check the fundamentals. Here, revenue's growing 31% year over year. That matters because it tells us whether the chart is rhyming with the underlying business, which is when the highest conviction setups happen. Step back with me. How's the broader tape? On this slide, you've got the primary trend, its strength, the ADX number, and the volatility regime measured as ATR%. Here's the thing. A setup that looks textbook in isolation can totally fail if the broader regime is fighting it. So you want to ask, is this trade swimming with the market current or against it? The 5-day and 20-day moves at the bottom answer that. News and sentiment are mixed right now. No dominant story pulling price one way or the other. When that happens, we just lean on the chart and trust the levels we drew earlier. Levels in about a minute. If this format works for you, join the channel. It's daily. Risk management next. The only edge you fully control. On screen, you see the dollar risk per share, the dollar reward per share, and a position sizing table built around the 1% rule. The rule is dead simple. Never risk more than 1% of your total account on a single trade. So if you've got a $10,000 account, you're risking $100 max. And that decides the share count, not your gut feel. Get this right and you can be wrong 10 times in a row and still be in the game. Get it wrong and one bad trade can take you out. This is what you stayed for. The trade. Bias is long. We'd look to enter near $1,136. Take profit sits at $1,254. Stop loss at $10,036. That puts us at 1.18 to 1 risk to reward, meaning for every dollar we put at risk, we stand to make 1.18. Horizon is roughly 5D. That's the play. One more time. This is educational, not financial advice. Markets are risky. Trade your own plan. Never risk what you can't afford to lose. If you're keeping score with us, hit subscribe. Results get posted publicly every week, so zoom out for a second. What we just walked through on BLK, that's a long bias setup projecting roughly 10.4% from here. And here's why it matters. Every piece we looked at, the chart structure, the candle confirmation, the indicators, the institutional order blocks, the volume profile, the order flow. They all stack in the same direction. When you see that kind of multi-factor agreement, that's when the highest conviction trades happen. Now, here's what you do next. If this breakdown earned its spot in your feed today, smash the like button. It actually moves the needle on whether YouTube shows you the next one. If this stacked up for you, say so in the comments. Trade safe. See you tomorrow. The next scan is already scheduled. Tomorrow morning, whole market, one winner, full breakdown. Stock or crypto, whatever ranks highest. Subscribe and hit the bell so it lands in your feed. See you then.